In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a map with multiple locations into your Wix website. Whether you're a small business with a couple of storefronts or an organization with various office locations, having an interactive map on your site can enhance customer experience and make it easier for visitors to find you. Let's begin in the Wix Editor, your go-to tool for editing your website. On the left side panel, you'll notice several options to help you customize your site. Click on Add Elements to open a menu of features you can integrate. Here, among many other possibilities, you'll find the Contact and Forms section. Within this category, look for Maps, where you'll see different map elements you can incorporate into your web page. Simply select the one that aligns best with your website style and drag it onto your page at your desired location. It's a great way to ensure the map fits seamlessly into the design you've envisioned. Now that the map is in place, it's time to add some locations. Click on the map element you've just placed, and a small menu should pop up. From there, you'll want to click on Manage Locations. This is where you'll have the ability to make the map informative and beneficial for your site visitors. Here, you can opt to display multiple locations, which is perfect if you want to showcase various branches or points of interest. For each spot, enter the precise address, ensuring accuracy for visitors. Additionally, you can also enhance each location by adding a title, a brief description to give some context or helpful information about the location, and even a link with customizable text that could lead to a page with more detailed information or services provided at that location. Make sure to click Add Location after filling out each entry, so they're all saved and visible on the map. After successfully listing all your desired locations, it's time for customization. Click on the settings icon associated with your map. Here, you can personalize it further to suit the needs and aesthetics of your website. Adjusting the zoom level is crucial as it allows your visitors to view the locations in detail or see a broader perspective of their placements on the map. You have the option to toggle between a traditional map view and a satellite view, depending on which offers the clarity and style you prefer. Remember to preview your page to check that all your locations are displaying correctly and efficiently. Adjust the settings as needed to ensure everything looks perfect before publishing. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully added a functional, attractive map with multiple locations to your Wix website. These enhancements not only make your site more user-friendly, but also provide invaluable information to your visitors. Thanks for following along, and I hope this improves your web building experience.